Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study English in Class 10th Easy Guide. Begin by mapping the syllabus and dividing topics into weekly goals, then build short, focused study blocks, and alternate reading, grammar, and writing practice to keep skills balanced and reduce burnout. Use active recall by summarizing passages aloud, jotting quick notes, and testing yourself with past questions to track progress and boost confidence. Read actively and warmly, as if explaining stories to a friend, and focus on meaning first, then vocabulary and structure to build confidence. Practice skimming for main ideas, scanning for details, and annotating briefly to save time. After each passage, speak a one-sentence summary, note unfamiliar words, and write simple sentences using new words to cement learning and improve recall for tests. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos for students. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh drive while you study or commute and laugh about exam nerves. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Treat writing practice like conversation practice. Write as you would explain a point to someone, then tidy it up. Start each essay with a clear outline, use topic sentences, and support points with examples. Practice grammar through short targeted drills and edit your own work aloud to catch errors. Regularly time yourself on 1 or 2 questions to build speed without losing clarity or accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.